Welcome back to Kids Creative Art today. We're going to draw a super cute balloon. Grab your paper and crayons. Let's get started. Step 1. First, let's draw a big oval, kind of like an egg standing up. This is the shape of our balloon. Step 2. Now, at the bottom of the oval, draw a little triangle. That's the balloon's knot. Step 3. Let's add a string. From the bottom of the knot, draw a long wiggly line going down. Great job! Now it's time to color our balloon. You can use red, blue, yellow, or even rainbow colors. I'm using yellow and rose red for mine. What color did you choose? Your balloon looks amazing! Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel,